Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, many of you have been asking for quite a while. I'm going to be showing you how to get free Amazon gift card codes in 2026. You can get a $150 Amazon gift card that you can redeem in the Amazon app, and it's going to basically add the balance to your account. And guys, this is working worldwide, so it doesn't matter if you're in the US or the UK or Europe, wherever in the world this is going to work. So before I show you guys how to get to this free Amazon gift card, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone. I recommend you do this on Android or iPhone. You can do this on your computer, but it is a lot easier on your mobile, and you'll see why as I progress through the steps. So you need to go to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So type it like this, guys, Cold Coupons. And what this is, guys, this is basically a coupon code website. Now they have hundreds of different pages. They have Amazon gift cards on here as well. So what you're going to want to do is just use the search bar and type in there Amazon. And as you can see, guys, this is the page you need to navigate yourself to. And scroll down on this page. And before I do that, actually, you can see this has been used thousands of times. So this is a really popular method to get free Amazon gift cards. Scroll down until you find this one, guys. This is the $150 free Amazon gift card code. And yeah, this is basically going to give you a code you can redeem, and it's going to add $150 to your account, or for me it's around 120 Great British pounds or whatever it is in your local currency, guys. So because these are limited codes, and of course they're pretty desirable considering they do give you $150 credit, you do need to unlock your gift card code. Now this is completely normal. This basically stops people from stealing the codes. So I've already done it. I can't do it again, guys. But what you're going to want to do is click on get full code, and there is going to be a set of instructions. It's going to take you about 5 minutes, guys. It's completely free. Yeah, just complete a couple of tasks, and once you do that, your Amazon gift card code will be fully revealed and unlocked in this box, and you can redeem it in the app. So that is it, guys. That is how to get free Amazon gift cards in 2026. Head on over to Cold Coupons, and if you have any questions or need any help obtaining your Amazon gift card, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.